In Frisco's competitive real estate market, homeowners are always looking for smart upgrades that enhance comfort while increasing property value. One improvement that consistently delivers on both fronts is installing double-hung windows. Stylish, practical, and energy efficient, double-hung windows are a favorite in Frisco neighborhoods, and for good reason. If you're considering updates to your home, here's how double-hung windows can make a meaningful difference in both everyday living and long-term resale value. Timeless style that fits Frisco homes. Frisco features a wide variety of architectural styles, from traditional brick homes in established neighborhoods to modern builds in newer developments. Double-hung windows complement virtually all of them. Their classic design, two vertically sliding sashes within a single frame, offers clean lines and balanced proportions. This symmetry enhances curb appeal, which plays a major role in how buyers perceive a home. When potential buyers pull up to a property and see updated, well-matched windows, it immediately signals that the home has been cared for. Inside, double-hung windows allow for larger glass areas and slimmer frames, bringing in more natural light. Bright, airy spaces are highly desirable in Frisco's family-oriented communities, where open-concept living is especially popular. Updated windows help create that inviting atmosphere buyers are searching for. Improved energy efficiency for Texas weather. Frisco homeowners know that North Texas weather can be intense. Hot summers and fluctuating winter temperatures make energy efficiency a top priority. Older or poorly sealed windows often allow conditioned air to escape, causing HVAC systems to work harder and utility bills to climb. Modern double-hung windows are designed with advanced insulation features, including multi-pane glass, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and improved weather stripping. These upgrades help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer and air leakage. For homeowners, this means lower energy bills and a more comfortable interior year-round. For buyers, it's a strong selling point. Energy-efficient windows can make a home stand out in listings, especially as more buyers pay attention to long-term operating costs. Better ventilation and everyday functionality. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their versatility. Because both the top and bottom sashes can open, homeowners can customize airflow to suit the season. During Frisco's mild spring and fall months, you can open both sashes to encourage natural air circulation. Cool air enters through the bottom while warm air exits through the top. This simple design feature improves indoor air quality and reduces reliance on air conditioning. Functionality also matters when it comes to resale value. Double-hung windows are easy to operate and clean. Many models tilt inward, allowing you to wash exterior glass from inside the home. For busy families and multi-story homes, this convenience is a major benefit. Buyers appreciate low-maintenance features, and updated windows often translate into fewer concerns during inspections. Enhanced safety and security. Safety is a key consideration for families moving into Frisco neighborhoods. Double-hung windows offer practical safety benefits, particularly for homes with children. You can open the top sash for ventilation while keeping the bottom sash closed, reducing the risk of accidental faults. Modern double-hung windows also come equipped with improved locking systems and reinforced frames, adding an extra layer of security. When buyers feel confident in a home's safety features, it increases overall appeal and perceived value. Strong return on investment. Window replacement is widely regarded as one of the more impactful exterior upgrades a homeowner can make. While exact returns vary, updated windows consistently help homes sell faster and closer to asking price, especially in well-maintained Frisco communities where buyers expect move-in ready properties. New double-hung windows signal that the home is updated, energy-conscious, and thoughtfully maintained. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, the long-term value remains. You'll enjoy lower energy costs, improved comfort, and a refreshed appearance now, while positioning your property more competitively for the future. A smart upgrade for Frisco homeowners in a growing and desirable market like Frisco. Details matter. Double-hung windows combine classic style, modern performance, and everyday practicality in one upgrade. They enhance curb appeal, improve efficiency, increase comfort, and offer features today's buyers actively seek. Whether you're preparing to list your home or simply investing in its long-term value, double-hung windows are a smart improvement that pays off, both in how your home feels and how it performs in the market.